What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for 9 to 5 employees and rookie online business owners. I bet many of you have heard of this term, business owners and entrepreneurs, so what are the key differences between them? If you're wondering, then keep on watching. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 main differences between an entrepreneur and a business owner. The #1 difference between these two is ideas. Business owners have great ideas, but entrepreneurs have big ideas. Business owners tend to focus more on solving problems in the community, like how can I make my customers happy? What promotions can I do next to boost up the sales? How can I level up my customer service? They know their business and their target audience. Since business owner focuses more on their community, so they are working in the business. On the other hand, entrepreneurs dream big and think big. They are visionaries. Most of the time, they come up with ideas that haven't been tested, diagnosed, or worked through. Oftentimes, they don't often know if their ideas is possible, which get them even more excited. What gives Apple an edge over its competitor was Steve Jobs' ability to be proactive and predict the future. He predicted what the future is going to be like and how technology is going to affect our lives. And this visionary outlook gave all Apple products a clear advantage over their competitors when it comes to innovation. Young entrepreneurs can easily get a competitive advantage over their competitors if they are able to predict what sorts of future problems are going to arise. But being visionary is not as simple as so. It takes time to learn from experts and mentors. Entrepreneurs work on a business instead of in the business because what they are good at is thinking of the big pictures, not the detailed tasks. Second, risk. I want you to think about the shops near your neighborhood. Majority of them have been in the business for over 50 years, but they still look the same. The operation and everything is still the same now compared to 50 years ago. Small business owners prefer steady. They like to know what's coming next and where it's coming from in their business. They make calculated decisions where the outcome is clear. The result may not be huge, but it will typically keep them moving forward. That's why one pandemic can wipe out most of the businesses because they have not changed much since. Even if they know where the world is heading to, but they prefer to stay steady. They prefer to be steady and earn less compared to risky and earn more. Entrepreneurs are complete opposite because they are visionary, so they are risk takers. Most of them have the do or die mentality. They will jump with both feet, knowing that if they put in their full effort, the risk will be worth it more often than not. They do something without knowing what the outcomes will be. This makes most legendary entrepreneurs because they dare to risk. Lastly, business sentiment. Business owners treat their business like their baby. They never plan on selling or handling their business off to someone else unless it's family. Since business owners operate in the business, they like making the decisions and running the day-to-day. I was exactly like this. At one point in my business, I didn't want to hire anyone because I think I can do much better work. I was the admin, I was the customer service, I was the sales manager, I was the operator, I was handling the inventories, I was everything in my business, which slowly eventually drained me. I was like, I can no longer breathe. Business owners usually turn out to be the ones who killed their own business. They are holding it too tight and choking their business to death. On the other hand, entrepreneurs focus on scaling. From day one, they set up their business to run without them. Late Steve Jobs invented iPhone. If he didn't set it from day one that Apple can run without him, Apple will never have all these new inventions that you and I see today. One isn't better than the other, but the question needs to be asked is, are you a small business owner or an entrepreneur? I hope these explanations are helpful for you. Don't forget to check out these 2 videos as well. I appreciate you and thanks for watching it all the way. I'll see you in the next video.